In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and download your Bank of America statements on the mobile app. Before we start, make sure your app is up to date and you're on a secure internet connection. Having your device's passcode, Face ID or Touch ID ready will make sign-in quick and secure. Begin by opening the Bank of America mobile app and logging in. If you use biometric sign-in, follow the prompt, otherwise enter your credentials as you normally do. Once you're on the home screen, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often in the top left or top right of the screen, depending on your device. Tap that to open the full navigation. From the menu, choose Statements and Documents. This is where the app stores your monthly statements and other account documents in one place, so you can access them anytime without visiting a branch. Next, you'll see an option labeled All Accounts. Tap that to view the list of your eligible accounts. Select the specific account you need the statement for, whether it's your checking, savings, or credit card. Picking the correct account ensures you're looking at the right set of documents for that product. After you've selected the account, choose the year of the statement you want. The app typically organizes statements by year to keep things clean and easy to navigate. If you don't immediately see the year you need, scroll down or look for a filter or drop down at the top that lets you switch years. Once you're viewing the list for that year, find the statement you want and tap the statement icon. This will open the statement as a PDF so you can view it right on your phone. From there, use your device's share or download options to save a copy to your files or a secure cloud location. If the PDF doesn't open, make sure you have a PDF viewer installed and try again on a stable connection. If you need statements that span more than 1 year, you can adjust the date range. Look for a date selector or filter within Statements and Documents, switch to another year, or choose a custom range if available. Availability of older statements can vary by account type and how long you've been enrolled in paperless delivery. That's it. Open the app and log in. Use the menu to reach Statements and Documents. Choose your account, pick the year, and tap the statement icon to view or download. Keep your downloaded statements in a secure location and always sign out when you're done for added security. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get exactly the statements you need.